Here we are in Sarnia, Ontario, home of GreenCore, a technology that is being commercialized and was first developed at the University of Toronto by Dr. Mohini San. And what this company is doing is taking fiber, adding that to plastics, either recycled or virgin plastics, and creating a whole new range of biocomposites for the industry. And what I want to emphasize is using both forestry and agricultural product. And it's also come to Sarnia because of the Bioindustrial Innovation Canada, where we have facilities to help companies just like GreenCore.
Well, GreenCore is a company that is targeting the replacement of glass-filled polymers that are used for anything from automotive parts to kayak paddles, for example. And the reason that our material can replace glass-filled polymers is one, the cost to the customer is going to be less, and also the weight, particularly for the automotive industry, which is a really key thing for the auto industry, can be up to 15% lighter than a similar glass reinforced material. So you've got those aspects. The global aspect, though, is that you're looking at materials that are more sustainable, they're more environmentally friendly, and they have CO2 reductions as well. So in the last few years, we've made a major breakthrough, I believe, in our product range, in the technology, and we've brought people in to help us with the sales and marketing aspects. So we're really positioned now, I believe, to grow forward. And then the next step at this location is likely to be toward the end of this year or early next year, another production line in this facility. Well, the line is really a pilot plant, but it's a very large pilot plant compared to the lab scale technology that came from the University of Toronto, and we had to develop it from that. Basically, it has several steps, of which the first one is the preparation of the fiber after we get delivery of it here. And the fiber is then fed into a process that defibrillates the fiber into microfiber, and at the same time we add plastic polymers to it, we can add impact modifiers, we can put other additives into it to tailor the product to a specific customer need. We have a wide range of products, and there is a lot of customization to the product development. And then at the end you'll see it's a conventional underwater pelletizer, so the material is sold in pellet form. Well, you have to look really at the plastics and automotive industry. So we have two major markets. We say the automotive market, which is a global market. So you'd look at a Magna, or you'd look at a Johnson Control, a Ford. We're working with Mitsubishi in Japan. So you've got those kinds of tier 1, tier 2, and also original equipment manufacturers. So that's in the auto industry. It's a relatively small number of companies compared to the large market of injection molding parts and articles for consumer and industrial applications. And if you look at the total market, in the automotive market, the global market is somewhere around £2.5 billion for filled and glass-filled material. And the technology is the ability to take fibers and generate small microfibers and combine them in situ. That means at the same time in the manufacturing process with plastic polymers. And because you do it that way, you get unique strength properties that you wouldn't get with other technology. I guess we have one or two small commercial companies buying from us now. And we've got about 15 other companies in Canada and in the US that are working on all various opportunities for us. We have looked at several other types of fibers, flax being one. And we see that as our product range expands, that will be one way to meet the needs of some other customers that are in the marketplace. Our focus has really been on cellulose wood fiber for now because we're very close to that commercialization, but the agricultural will come with time. Strategy for the company is to be a significant company in the North American market, that is production and sales and development. In the rest of the world, we will eventually be joint venturing or licensing the technology. So we'll always have, as the business grows, a major position in the North American market, which means this is where we will get our feedstock from. Even for the global market, initially, we'll be getting our feedstock, out of Ontario. We can develop these markets, and I think Ontario agriculture will be a major part of that as we grow the business and enhance the product range and the development effort that we're involved in.